Do you know choosing the right email marketing service can have a significant impact on the success of your marketing campaigns? So, it is important to understand that a lot of your success with email marketing depends entirely on email marketing software you choose. Because with the right email marketing software, we are making sure that emails actually get delivered straight to the inbox. Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang. I am an IT engineer turned into a full-time digital marketer. And in this video, we will be talking about the best email marketing service providers that will help you to make money from email marketing. So just grab your notepads, pen and paper and hit that like button, and please subscribe my channel as well. So let's begin. The first email marketing service provider is Getresponse, and we all have heard about it, right? So Getresponse is an all-in-one marketing software empowering you to put your business in front of right set of audience. So it is on the top of my list of email services provider, and many of the big marketers uses it, right? So Getresponse will help in expanding your audience, and it will actually allow you to engage with your targeted prospect, which will boost your sales almost instantly. So instead of wasting time to design, you can use a pre-designed template that Getresponse provides. It also offers many other features like audience segmentation, autoresponder, landing pages builder, and most importantly, automated emails. And we will talk all about these in the upcoming videos. So please try out the 30-day trial to begin your journey as an email marketer. I will going to add a secret page link through which you can get a trial for 30 days. So make sure to check out the description box. Okay. So let's discuss another important tool for all email list builder, and that is Aweber. So you know you are ready to grow your email list, right? Awesome. So Aweber is specially built for small businesses that help in engaging large number of audience and increasing their sales. So let me tell you, Aweber has over 100,000 business clients worldwide. And so if you have just started your business, then you should definitely try Aweber, not ignoring the fact that Aweber is best known as it gives a detailed analysis for newsletter and followers that helps in increasing the clicks and open rate as well. So you can try out the free trial to begin your journey as an email marketer. I am going to add a link in the description box for the same. So please make sure to check out the description box. Okay. Now let's come to third best tool for email marketing, and that is ConvertKit. ConvertKit is a fully featured email service provider. It is very easy to use. It has some powerful automations and other features. It has been recommended by top email marketer. So it is one of the fastest growing company as an email marketing company, and as it also offers customizable sign up pages, sign up forms, landing pages that can actually help to bring more email subscribers. And let me tell you guys, ConvertKit helps to earn a living by increasing your audience and turning them into a quality customer, and that add values to your business. It also definitely the best email marketing services tool. So if you are searching for simple yet powerful email marketing software, then ConvertKit is the one. All you need to do is try a 30-day trial, see how effectively this tool actually can help you, and it will definitely gonna increase your sales, your number of subscribers in a very short span of time. Believe me, this tool will help to gradually upscale your business as well as marketing. No one can become a millionaire in a day, right? So with the time and efforts, only it could be possible. So trust me, these three email marketing service providers are the best out there. I have already tested it, and I have results for the same. You can definitely choose one according to your need. So if you found this particular video useful, and if you would like to be a part of my community, like my Facebook group, so I would like to invite you to join my VIP Facebook group. This Facebook group is all about how to start your own business without any prior knowledge or experience. You can take the knowledge and can start your own super profitable business in just 90 days, right? I'm saying that in just 90 days. So if you are interested in making $3,000 a month, join my free Facebook group, and you can find my free Facebook group link below this video. Okay, go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in this group. If you are looking for something get rich quick business, please don't join, right? I don't have any business model that can make you rich overnight. So join only if you are serious about starting your online business. Okay, I will see you there. Thank you for watching it so far. Make sure to subscribe my channel. See you in the another video. Bye bye.